So, my charge port on the Tesla Model 3 has stopped working for like the last 5-6 months. It just doesn't open anymore. And so I've just been manually cranking it open and cranking it closed. And sometimes I forget to close it. And so I drive around looking like I'm trying to fly and flap my wings. But the problem is, it kind of bothers me. I tell my car to open the button and nothing happens. And so I want to replace it, and I'm going to replace it myself. So I ordered this replacement part off eBay for like 60 bucks. I don't know how much work this is gonna be, but I'm excited to find out. So hopefully it works. And today I'm gonna try and install it. I'm gonna get this thing fixed. I gotta access it through here. Oh geez, I don't know. So this is actually a lot more intimidating than I anticipated. There's some wires, there's some orange panel thing that I don't know what it is, and I just don't want to mess it up. So I need to find some.
Do you need some help?
Hey, yeah, dude.
Yeah.
Do you know how to work on these things?
Oh yeah, for sure. I like do these in like 10-15 minutes.
Really?
Like, yeah, it'll be no big deal.
All right, sick. Yeah, let's do it.
Yeah.
Nice.
So, charge port light, charge port door. This is all the power to this computer. So essentially if you unplug it, then it just kills all of high voltage in the charging. There we go. Yep, all the beeps. Just pull that out. If you hear all the beeps, then it knows that it's safe because it won't allow you to charge.
Oh, wow.
Out like that. So close that down. You want to keep this closed. If it's open, when you remove it, it'll scratch the top side.
Oh, okay.
That's it.
Cool, man. Thank you so much.
Yeah, of course. You know?
All right, well, thanks Brendan for helping me out. This is the old part right here, and I'm gonna try and open it up and kind of see what the issue was with it. Maybe I can fix it somehow. But yeah, I'm gonna check it out. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you like this video, please gently tap that like button, and I'll see you tomorrow. Open button. It finally works. I finally have a functioning charge port, aka button. So that's awesome. Thank you so much, Brendan. Thank you so much for helping out. Really appreciate it. And there's no way I could have done it without you. So thanks again, buddy. If you like this video, please gently tap that like button, and I'll see you tomorrow.